I wouldn't say I had that much of experience. So I had a basic experience, but of course, that was not enough to get into the job field. So I started getting into Dented Code, where we started coding from the ground up. As Premsar said, struggle a bit in the first part because what I did was I didn't go straight from the basics. So I straight jumped from one part to the next without getting into the between. And one of the big agent why I was so struggling was ChatGPT. So the thing with ChatGPT is until and unless you have a really good base in the coding, ChatGPT is gonna give you nothing at all. So that's what I actually found out. So whoever want to do a vibe coding, I'm all happy for it. But if you don't get all basics right, it's not gonna help much. It's just gonna get you in more and more trouble. That's what I faced during my solo project because I was running a bit low on time, so I just wanted to rush it up. So I used ChatGPT most of the time. And then I started running one issue after another. But after some time, I said, I'm just gonna do it the hard way. So I just went one line after another. And then I completed my solo project within a matter of like 10 days. So yeah, I really want to say everyone like have the basics and then you just jump from one topic to another only after you're like set up with one topic, not just go random with it.